Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this pool organizer that this brand sent to me for this video. It's a very windy day, so I hope that my microphone is not picking up all that wind. But I gotta say that, first of all, a couple things on this one. Size-wise, it's about 55 inches by 33, so it's gonna be 55 wide by 33 by about 4 feet tall. It is big. It has a lot of room for all your pool inflatables, all your pool toys, towels, whatever you want to talk about pool. You can put it in here, like pool cleaning tools and things like that. You can put them in here because this is really big. It has a lot of space. It has a really good features that I'm going to show you kind of on a close-up in a few seconds, and also supports right here about like 20-25 pounds, so you can put a lot of heavy things. So that's going to be really good for putting all your things for your pool, storing all the things on your pool. And then one thing that I want to talk about is about the assembly process of this one. I would say if you can get help, that's going to be really good. That's going to be even better. But with power tools, it took me 45 minutes. I did it by myself. It says about 60 minutes. So I'm pretty sure that you can do it in between ballpark 45-60 minutes if you have help. I did it by myself, but I kind of have a little bit of experience in building things. So I would say if you're just by yourself, probably 60 minutes. If you're with someone, probably 45 minutes. Another thing, I do think that this could be really fun to assemble with kids because there are tons of things that need kind of like strength. You can actually do it with your hands and power tools, but there's some other things that is like building a Lego, like building bricks or something like that. So if you want to kind of like train your kids or something like that, this could be a really good opportunity. Let's take a closer look, and then I'm going to remove everything to show it to you. But before that, let me show you something which I think it's really cool. You can grab the whole thing and check this out. It has wheels. So you can move it from one side of the pool to the other without any hassle. It has just 2 wheels over there and then no wheels here. So it's gonna be nothing but firm and solid. So, okay, again, excuse me about the wind, but still I can't control the weather. So I hope this is not super bad with the wind. I'm gonna try to isolate it a little bit. But something that I really like about this one, this section over here, you can actually, check this out. You can take it out and you can put this one right here. It has the same kind of like lock, so you can have like better access to it. You don't have to do this and get inside or something like that. If it is for the kids or something like that, you can remove this one and put it on the bottom part, or just have more access if it is something heavy, or if like an elderly person or something like that is doing it, you can do it without any issues. And then this one, it's all set. Another thing that I like about this one, again, besides the wheels, you can see how easy it is with the wheels, is that it comes with hooks. These hooks over here, you can remove them and you can put it anywhere you want. It has a screw that you're gonna need to put, but I didn't put the screw on purpose, just to show you that you can move them around and put them in some other place. So these hooks are gonna be really good for towels. Of course, this is not a towel, but it's just for showing you that you have hooks to put right here, here, or there, just to make sure that you have a place for those towels to let them dry. And then the whole thing is waterproof, so you're not gonna have any issues if this one is staying outside. You can have it if it is raining, hailing, a wind, like a sandstorm, whatever. These ones are gonna be really good just to stay here because it is entirely coated for waterproofing. But then another thing that I want to show you, besides it comes with mesh bags, so you can put some more pool toys right here, some other things that you're gonna use with your kids or something like that, and this mesh bags, and just close them and let them dry, so you can hang them from the hooks as I was just showing you before, and just making sure that you can dry those toys and you can dry those things, so just not making a mess, not making a hassle. You can just have everything right here. If it is toys, if it is inflatables, if it is things that your kids are gonna use, you can put them on those mesh bags. And then last but not least, it comes with this kind of like grapples that, again, you can move them around. But let's say that it's like a super windy day and you don't want to grab this entire thing and take it out because it's heavy, it has wheels, but that doesn't take away the weight. It comes with these straps. These elastic straps right here are gonna be really good just to make sure that if it is a windy day, you have everything right here protected. You're not gonna have any issues, and you can make sure that you can put everything right here with this straps right here on the side, just making sure that everything is gonna stay in place. And that is why I think that this pool organizer, this 55 inches waterproof pool organizer, is a really good one for your patio. And just remember, if you have a lot of inflatables, a lot of toys, a lot of like cleaning stuff or something like that, this one is the one you need. Trust me, the assembly process is not that bad. I give it a thumbs up, recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.